All watching you play this.
Yeah, yeah. Now,
I'm going
say it again, so you can give us an introduction.
Where I'm the narrator.
Let me be it this time.
What if I want to be the?
Let's get my
You
mic
know what?
really close.
Yeah, let Nick be. Let Nick
Wait,
be the
no.
narrator.
Let's take turns.
No,
Let's
No,
take,
don't be racist.
The
let's
ghost.
take.
That means I got
What?
you're
shit.
pregnant.
Yeah, take a shit right there. Nobody's around.
Yeah, you have dysentery.
I'm a male, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you're male.
We are
Did
the
you go on the
omniscient
female one?
narrators.
Wait. You're the ghost train.
What the fuck?
What?
The Japanese toilets.
That's
Oh,
that's
Japanese toilet.
they have
Oh,
yeah,
that's
that's the
right.
Japanese toilets.
They got the fucking
Yeah.
squat shitters.
They have to squat shit.
But why are they sideways?
You
Is
know
this the
Cars
toilet?
2 where Mater goes into the Japanese toilet? Maybe it's similar. The train is actually in the toilet.
I know this. I know this
No,
random.
no.
Hold on, wait, no. I know this random obscure factoid from Japanese mythos. You're never supposed to use the last fucking stall because that's how you summon demons and shit.
Well,
Oh.
get
Why
to
do you know that?
shitting because it's demon summon in time.
Wait, is it the last stall usually the handicap stall?
Yeah, you're fucking crippled.
You're the only non-Japanese person in the planet who knew that. Oh, like I thought you had to shit. That's your shitting?
Yeah,
That's not good.
You
That's
shit
not
too.
good.
you squat and shit.
You need water. If
Your
you are
shit
becoming
was water.
dehydrated.
Do I?
Yeah, that
No,
shit was
don't
water.
drink
That
that.
was the flush noise. That
I
was
guess,
the flush
I
noise.
guess
Oh.
I guess I'm
That
not
wasn't-
washing my
no.
hands.
That wasn't the sound of him shitting. That was him flushing.
You're all alone. I don't think you have to worry about washing your hands.
You're gross.
Aiden,
You're
No, that's
nasty.
disgusting. No.
That's the type of person
You're
you
telling
are.
me you're alone. You don't wash your hands, You
Oh
wash your
my
hands.
gosh.
He only does this shit for appearance.
dude.
Oh man.
I
You
take
live with
showers
that,
every
Hunter.
night. I'm fine.
I don't think you can use my microwave anymore with your shit hands. Loud. If you turn it all the way up.
I feel like being in a box smoking in this fucking box is not good for you.
I
It
swear.
gives you
Smoking
more of
isn't
the
good
effect.
for you.
Shut the fuck up, Hunter. There's no studies to prove that. You're just listening to Big Pharma. Fuck you.
Cancer?
Honestly,
There's
I
no
mean,
studies that link cancer
camels-
to
Oh
smoking.
no.
doctors
Lung cancer?
smoke
Who is
camels.
this woman?
Yeah, 9 out of 10 doctors recommend camels.
Train's
I
good.
train.
Wait, isn't this what I have to narrate?
Wait,
Let
isn't
me
this?
make
Yes, it
screeching
is.
noises real quick.
Oh yeah, Aiden's the train.
I thought he was the ghost.
Maybe
Maybe the train is the ghost.
ghost.
Somebody say sweet.
Yeah,
No.
Riley, we need screeching noises.
No.
I do, it's perfect.
Now
No.
I have to get my favorite seat, the corner of the second coach.
That's very specific.
That is very.
Is that also hold on, I'm looking
Oh,
this up. Is this also in Japanese?
Oh. No, just look at it for a few minutes, please.
No,
No.
no,
I need like
please.
18
Don't.
seconds. I need like 18 seconds.
A
Hey,
real woman. Ew.
Oh wait, stop, no, stop, no, stop, wait, go back. Look at her fucking feet.
I
Oh my
That's
gosh.
a ghost, dog.
Why
Dog,
were
her-
you
it's her-
immediately? Why were you immediately
Wait,
looking
hold
at
on.
her feet, Aiden?
She looks like
Because that's all that's attractive to a woman to me.
What the fuck?
I feel like this isn't accurate to how Japanese culture is.
I don't know, I think it's pretty accurate. I've seen quite a few hentai.
Yeah, okay, that's fair.
Are they?
What are you, Samuel L. Jackson?
What the fuck is that? What is? What
That's I think
Bullet
it's the best
train?
thing you've ever said to me.
is that? Japanese
welcome.
XQC?
Wait,
Chat,
What is
is this
that?
real?
Okay. Bro,
Mills,
speaking of
what
XQC,
if you're in Bullet
That's
a
just
real
a map
person.
maker.
Is he holding a watermelon?
Dog?
Can I voice this guy?
Sure.
Oh
Aw.
yeah.
Wait, no, you're the ghost if there's ever a ghost.
I don't think we're gonna be able to voice
He
it.
kind of looks like Nick.
I don't like this.
Let Nick voice him. He looks like him.
Okay, Nick, you
What?
got it, Nick. You got
Okay,
it.
okay, I got you, I got you.
He's holding the cicadas.
He is holding the cicadas.
Am I
Yeah, if it has
Okay.
quotations, it's you.
escaped? Bzz. 3 escaped. What am I ever gonna do? How? Bzz. Dot dot dot.
I'm in a hurry. Could you please move aside?
Escaped. Not in a very good mood.
It's really no good. He's not listening. Whatever it is, I better get what he wants.
Escaped. What was that noise?
Probably me picking the train or the cicadas.
I think it's the train. Oh, there you go.
Oh, you got him.
I got him. I got
Aw.
the cicadas.
Where did? Oh my gosh! I mean, brown ones. Not in a very good mood.
That's
He
racist.
doesn't.
Do you need anything?
Do I need anything? Yes, I want the train to stop in the next one, please. I'm a dick, apparently. That's, I guess, it's fitting. You forgot to
Wait,
stop
that's just
on
his-
the previous one.
That's just his job.
Oh,
is to
is
stop
that
the
right?
train.
Must have been spaced out.
Oh, okay, never mind. Apparently, I'm not the dick.
I apologize for the inconvenience. We will prepare you the compensation necessary for this mishap.
I hate his dead eyes. The way he stares into my
What
soul.
eyes? There is none.
I can see like
There's a
one
black
of them peeking
void
at me.
behind that.
Please leave your contact information here.
He's about to dox
Right.
you.
Please leave your social security number, your IP address, credit card info.
And the information of your circumcision.
My
Yes. If,
circumcision.
well,
Yes.
it's a very identifiable mark, I'm sure.
Yes or no question.
Ugh. I don't have the time and energy to complain to the railway company. I'm just relieved that it wasn't anything serious. I'll let it pass this time. Jeez, dude.
Wait, I
don't-
wonder
don't-
if we're gonna
don't
have
get
like
your
5
fucking-
days.
Your panties in a wad.
Maybe
I
you
don't
are a
look
dick.
forward
Wait,
to tomorrow's work. I sound like a dick. What am I doing? Yeah, I'm a dick. Get a drink, smoke. Hello, anime girl. Hello, anime guy.
Wait,
Garfield.
I'm gonna look up this lore about the last stall.
Oh, my hold on, guys. My mom's calling me. Hi, mom.
Akamanto is a male spirit who dons a red cloak and mask, and is said to haunt school and public restrooms with a particular fondness for the last stall in the women's bathroom. Once you are seated in the stall, you will hear a male voice ask if you want red or blue paper. Choose your words carefully.
Yeah, see, that's it. That's what I'm talking about. I remember that.
Did you see that?
Oh, actually, I'm glad you pointed that out. Maybe something will happen over there. Is that looks
Dog.
like a fucking painting of the Last Supper?
That is not a paint. That looks
No,
like the
it
Twin
doesn't.
Towers.
No, it does not.
No, my bad.
She's wearing heels. That's why her feet look weird.
From sea
That's
why
to
she didn't have heels last time.
Well, last time she didn't have the little bottom part,
Yeah.
so it just looked like she was like twisting her foot up.
I think we're just stupid.
I don't like the slow transition. It makes me feel weird.
It's almost like it's
Maybe that's
supposed
intentional.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Hey, it's a demon. Who's
Oh,
acting
Why
this one
can't
out?
be the
Baby.
fucking baby?
Wow.
No, it's Aiden. It's Aiden.
What the fuck do I have? Chocolate bar in my hand?
What the hell? What's a little girl?
Oh,
That's a little
What's a
girl.
little girl, dude.
I can't tell, dude.
It's-
It just.
a kid shouldn't be roaming around this train, the train this late.
Daddy?
I'm not your father.
Yeah, you look different.
Now you better go back to your dad.
About that.
I can't remember where my daddy is. I was chasing a cicada I saw in the window.
Hey, was that my cicada I lost?
Father, please listen to me. I was chasing a cicada I saw in the window, but I'm too scared to go back alone. Father, Mister, please, could you please come with me to find my daddy?
There's something I need to tell you.
I'm
is it?
55 and actually have a job in Social Security.
Well, I think I've forgotten how my dad looks.
How is that even possible?
I can't do the voice. I think it's because he looks like a middle-aged guy. Any middle-aged guy. That's why I thought you were my dad, you middle-aged man. I think
Okay, so we're middle-aged.
I think the only way is to talk to the ones that look like my dad.
Okay. This kid just fucking insulted the hell out of us.
It's
This kid's
because
fucking
all
retarded.
Asians look alike.
Push. Don't follow me.
Dude, I'm hitting that shit so hard.
Doing the fucking gritty.
Dude. Alright, Nick, you got this one.
Why is he
Oh,
just standing
right.
there? He's
Yeah.
just
Why is he so
standing
damn
there,
tall?
menacingly. Oh my god, what the fuck?
Dude.
Holy fucking shit.
Oh yeah.
Wasn't even on the train. ... Could it be that he left her alone here?
Oh, what the fuck?
Get that child.
Run away, run away, run away. The gritty.
Fast as fuck, boy. I'm
Dude,
fast
you
as
can't
fuck.
even think about keeping
Stop
up with that
She's
child.
Kid is fast. This isn't what it looks like, sir. This is like fucking.
Fast as fuck, boy.
Was that Ronald McDonald?
Wait, what if it's the
Go back.
conductor?
Wait,
Right,
no,
go
no,
back.
wait, no, I can't. Get child.
It's Ronald McDonald! Ronald!
There's just gonna be a face in the little one.
What?
Oh, what?
Randy Orton out of nowhere.
For real, fucking RKO.
Is that
That's right. Let's get down to that subway and we're gonna have some good old train time.
Hello, Garfello. Oh, maybe. I'd rather smoke. Oh, dude, I was fucking. Hey, the light's not blinking anymore. We can see the Last Supper more clearly. Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it?
Do you see
It's a
what?
rat.
Do you see it? Do you fucking see
It's
it?
just a rat. It's a gopher. It's a groundhog. It's Punxsutawney Phil. Calm the fuck down.
It's gone! It disappeared!
He saw a shadow. He had to go back down. Of a crisis.
This is getting very anime.
This is a lore dump.
Oh please, tell me.
She probably mentioned the baby's crying.
Yeah, her face is fucked up.
That's me.
Dude, she's got the Habsburg jaw
What?
going on.
Oh.
He's like, what is
Wait, they
Am I-
changed when you go into the different cars. Go to
Are
the
you almost-
first car and see if there's a new sound.
Oh wait, maybe. You Googled this, didn't you? This fucking.
No, you stepped into it at Temple Belt again. No, I didn't.
Well, no, there's no longer the bell. It sounds like the sea. I'm pressing my mic up
Oh,
to
it's
my
ocean noises.
It's
Yeah,
It's
I
ocean
hear
noises.
ocean
So the
noises.
first one's oceans.
ocean.
Ocean?
Temple Bell. This one's Temple Bell. I know it has to be Temple Bell.
Ocean.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ocean's Temple Bell. This is like a forest. I hear birds.
Okay.
Is that
Wait,
a?
no.
Birds.
Is
First
that a-
noises.
Is that a blue jay I'm hearing? Maybe even a.
Whoa!
forest.
Whoa!
I
Shut
no
the
longer
fuck
know
up.
the-
Joe Biden. Joe Biden, wake up. Joe Biden, wake up. 9/11.
America is a nation that can be defined in a single word. I was going to put him.
I didn't hear anything for the
I
third
think it
one.
was the second one.
I think it was the second one.
Oh shit.
I didn't hear anything for any of them.
Maybe
think we
when
fucked
when I
that.
get out, it'll be.
Oh, you're a month ahead of
bunch-
time.
Bunch of naked, beautiful men, women.
Fucking gone.
He's gonna be behind you as you try to go through. Oh, never mind.
Worked that time. God, it's fucking bright.
Agato.
I don't know if I
you're
want to
gonna
go
have
through the.
time.
This was the wrong stop, mi amigos.
Ah, shit.
Yep.
You should go check it
wrong.
out. Go see what's happening.
I see something I think up there.
Hey,
Oh, the buzzing
see
of
it?
the light
Do you see
getting
it?
closer.
Do you
Oh,
see it?
shit.
Um.
Uh,
Hit E. Maybe you have an inventory.
Yep.
Okay.
Train to hell. Train
Yeah.
Okay.
to fucking hell. So I think I placed it all right.
Did you try going through the door at the very end?
Was it
I-
locked?
I can try it again, maybe. Maybe there's like a certain door I have to open. There's definitely banging coming from a certain door, though. Oh. Okay. Oh.
I don't like this.
Oh my!
I know that no one would answer. Fuck. Joe Biden lied to me. But I have to follow that Mr. Simichu told me.
Joe Biden.
Yes, hello? Dot dot dot. What? I can't believe someone
Who's
answered.
who's acting the one on the other
I'll
end?
do. I'll do.
Yeah. Who could it be? Hello?
Hello.
It's
Who is
no,
this?
no, wait. I think wait, no, it's
That's
it's-
that's country. That's Formula
There's
One.
Squid-
this
Yeah.
voice. I know this voice. There's no doubt about it. It's my wife. She's the person on the train. We killed her. I bet. The child was ours. It's all coming together in my mind. Oh, 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 oh. It's all coming back to me.
You were my daddy.
Are you coming?
It's it's all coming back to me.
Father.
It's all
Father,
coming back
help.
to me. I'm the
The
numbers.
schizomeds are working.
The numbers mission. The numbers.
Stay where you are. Stay right there.
I will find you.
I'll be there soon.
I think my
About to see your
daughter got
fucking-
hit by a train.
You're about to see her no clip through the woods.
She said stay right there.
Okay.
Yeah, she said stay
I'll
right
go
there.
back.
I'm scared of the move.
Dap, 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 dap,
The
dap,
moon
dap,
meets your
dap,
eyes,
dap.
the wheel meets the pie. That's amore.
You think I just have to wait
Yeah.
here?
I
She
don't
said
know.
stay right there, but I think you're not supposed to stay.
So while we wait, let's just
Mamma mia.
listen to some tunes.
Here we
guys.
go again.
Have a little rave in here. Practice my mewing.
This
Oh.
darkness.
Okay, that's not amazing.
Stranger danger. Stranger danger.
What if they don't? What if they're not who they think you are? What if they're not who you think they are? What if
it's
you're
the
dead?
wife, I think that means it's me.
I wonder how Cicada Man enters into this. He's like the weird outlier.
I
think he's dead.
couldn't. No, wait. Set up. I couldn't believe my eyes. It was my wife's car. She hasn't changed. I took her into my arms and cried. I'm glad, she whispered, patting my back. I held her hand and got into the car. How'd you do it?
Too early.
She said as we're driving, I didn't know what she meant by that, but that didn't matter. All that mattered was that I got to see her again. We didn't have much of a conversation during the ride. There was so much to ask, yet there wasn't much to be said. It's speeding up. I was happy enough to have her presence next to me, and rather soon we arrived at my place. She dropped me off and locked the door to my apartment. Just as I looked back, excited to invite her in, she was gone, without making a single sound. She had disappeared. Today, today I live a normal life as a salaryman again, wondering every night if I'll be able to meet my wife again.
The old man said the same thing about being there too early.
I think they're dead. I think they're all dead.